A wooden house offers enjoyable advantages in terms of comfort, climate as well as health or environment. Wood is bioenergetics and ecological material. Flexible, resistant, light and durable, the wood is suitable for most of the grounds and constructions. It is also recommended in seismic areas. The structure is solid due to tensile and weight strength. Wood prevents dust circulation and static electricity. The humidity level is naturally low in the construction. The wood material is easy to maintain, offers physiological and psychological advantages. A wooden house will make you benefit from a healthy, warm, comfortable and balanced interior. Prefabricated houses are modern housing constructions. They are fast and easy to assemble and ahead of more common housing buildings in terms of performances and energy efficient. Wood is an energetic, recyclable and ecological material. As the main component of the construction, it ensures the proper insulation of the house, keeps the warmth and protects from cold. The wood is naturally breathing, offers a balanced and healthy living environment. The modular house benefits from flexible layouts and it is possible to extend them afterwards. The wooden houses are adequate solution to face current environmental issues while providing comfort, modernity and contemporary design.